Hello everyone, welcome to Mechanical Engineering online classes, MEOC. This is Shravani Sriramoju. So let us learn what relationships to use while kinematics of particles and motion is under constant acceleration. When velocity is constant, acceleration is zero, but when acceleration is constant, we get the following relationships. Let us see the velocity or acceleration as a function of time. If small u and small v, they denote the initial and final velocities, then integral dv is nothing but integral a dt, because acceleration is dv by dt, so we have cross multiplied. Dv is equal to a dt and we are trying to integrate. Integration here is from u to v, initial velocity to final velocity. Let the time be from 0 to t. Then we have v minus u is equal to at, or v is equal to u plus at. This is one relationship where we find velocity or acceleration in terms of time t. Now similarly, let this be the first one. The second one, v is equal to dx by dt. I can write this as dx is equal to v dt. Now let us integrate on both sides. Let the position be from 0 to x. The displacement is from 0 to x. Time is from 0 to t. This is v dt. Then we have, since v is equal to u plus at, I can substitute this here. U plus at this will be equal to ut plus at square by 2. So this is x. So we remember this from our schooling, that s is equal to ut plus half at square. Here s is x. So this is a relation for position in terms of time t. So this is the second one. The third one is velocity or acceleration as a function of position. So we know from the previous cases and the previous title, where the motion is under variable acceleration, we have taken these relations from there only, but we are trying to put constant acceleration in mind. This is a special case of the first case. First case is where acceleration is variable, here it is constant. So this is a special case of the first case. So if you can see, v is equal to dx by dt, all these relationships are taken from variable acceleration only. Here another relation is v dv is equal to a dx. Let us try to integrate on both sides. So the velocity is from u to v. This is v dv is equal to a constant acceleration. This is constant acceleration case. So 0 to x dx. So this will be v square minus u square by 2 is equal to x, or v square minus u square is equal to 2as. S is nothing but x here. So this is another relation. Let us see the fourth one, distance travelled in nth second. If dn represents the distance travelled in nth second, then dn is given by u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. N is the nth second. So this is the relationship. This is the initial velocity, this is u is initial velocity, a is acceleration, n is the second in which we are finding the distance, and dn is the distance travelled in nth second. So these four relationships are for Kinematics of motion under constant acceleration.